motherfucking video. Look! Y'all, the title that you are looking at right now is not wrong. It is not clickbait, bitch. It's really, really happening. And it's been something that I've been working on for a very, very long time, which has been part of the reason for my absence here on this channel, amongst other things. Toddlerville, twin Toddlerville at that. And then on top of that, all the craziness with my family, Juice's family, and you know, all the other things going on, right? You guys already know. You guys should be subscribed to my vlog channel. If you're not, go check it out. It's the Socialite Life TV, and you will see everything that's been going on in our lives and how crazy it has been, okay? But that being said, I wanted to pop in and just share with you guys, just as the title says, that your girl is coming out with her own makeup product, okay? And I have been wanting to do this for so fucking long. And who would think that a bitch like me, okay, as unfiltered as I am, okay, and have been, okay, and as crazy as my black ass is, I am actually coming out with my own makeup product. You guys, I have been wanting to do this forever, okay, because you guys know I literally have tried out every makeup product on the market, and there's so many more that I want to try out, which I will tell you guys about here later on in the video, so stay tuned for that towards the end. And I am finally getting the opportunity to come out with my own makeup product, okay? I've been teasing you guys on Instagram, on the vlog channel. I've been wearing it a lot on the vlog channel as well. I don't even know if you guys have even noticed yet, but I keep getting questions about it. So some of you guys are kind of catching on as to what the product is. But go check out my Instagram if you're not following me there. Go check me out at Socialite Sande, S-A-N-D-E. And you guys will see I've been wearing it an awful lot. I even mentioned to you guys on Instagram that I am working on something. I'm working on a makeup product that was featured on my face. Now I know, bitch, you probably wonder, bitch, why the fuck you not wearing makeup right now? There's a reason for that. Because I am actually right now physically testing. I'm about to test. I haven't done it right now. But I'm about to test that makeup product. I am in its 4th run right now. And so after this, I'm right here at my makeup desk. I'm literally going to put it on my face, okay? And see if we've finally gotten to the formula that I am looking for, okay? Because I want you guys to absolutely fucking love it when it comes out, okay? So, yeah, y'all, go check out my Instagram, Socialite Sande, S-A-N-D-E. I've worn it in many of the photos there. There's one photo in particular that I made mention of me working on a makeup product, and so many of you guys sent so much love and support on that post, so thank you guys so much. And so many of you guys were like, oh my god, we're so gonna support you when you come out with it. So thank you for that. But how about you go down below and let me know if you have an idea of what you think the product is. If you're not sure, go to my Instagram, Socialite Sande, and check it out and let me know if you guys have figured it out. And comment that down below. And I may or may not tell you what the product is. We'll see. But I'm actually, once I get off camera here, I am going to go ahead and test my 4th run of this product. And if there needs to be a 5th, I'm gonna do a 5th or a 6th, because you guys know, as much as I review and criticize and really, I'm a hard on these makeup companies, I want to make sure that what I come out with is something that not only I absolutely love, but it's something that you guys absolutely love as well. Now, my goal is, of course, to make it an all-inclusive thing so that all skin types, skin tones can actually wear said product, okay? You guys know I'm all about just being inclusive. That's so huge, and all makeup brands should be very much inclusive, okay? You guys know that is a huge thing for me. I've always talked about that here on this channel, and it's not going to be any different with mine, okay? So I wanted to pop in and share that with you guys because it's something that I've been working on for a while, which is why I've been kind of away outside of, in addition to just twin Toddlerville and all of the things going on with my family and Juice's family, my dad, and all of that stuff. But this has also kept me very busy as well. So I'm actually, because I have no makeup on, I know you're like, how you gonna talk about a makeup product and bitch, you ain't got shit on your face? Hold on, bitch. I'm trying to perfect said product. So once I get off camera, because I was shooting other things today, and I had to get clear face so I could go ahead and put said product on, I wanted to pop in and let you guys know that before I tested my 4th run. And like I said, if the 4th run is not good, I'm gonna go for a 5th, a 6th, a 7th, until I get it to where I am totally 100% happy with it, 200% happy with it, and that I am satisfied enough with it where I know you guys are gonna be satisfied with it too, okay? So my goal goal is to ultimately get this product out to you guys during the holidays, okay? So just stay tuned here on the channel. I will be wearing the product throughout the course of videos as time goes, and I will make mention of the fact that I'm wearing the product on my face when I do showcase the product on my face in my videos. I've tried testers in some of my videos previous to this, but again, it's not the final product, so I don't want to mention the videos that I wore it in because I want to make sure that when I do wear it and it's in its final stage and it's where I want it to be, that I'm able to say, okay, guess what? I'm rocking my product, okay? And it's gonna be mine. I mean, I'm literally naming it. It is my shit, okay? And I'm so super duper excited about it. It's something that I've wanted to tell you guys for so long, and I just haven't been able to tell you guys because I wanted to make sure that it was really fucking happening, and it really is. Everything's concrete, set in stone, nothing's changing, except I just want to make sure that it is absolutely perfect and that you guys will absolutely love it, okay? And guys, I mean, obviously the reason that is even happening is because of you guys, so I have to say thank you guys so much for not only supporting a bitch all this time. I know I'm not your everyday Joe Schmo YouTuber here, okay? I know that, you know, I'm not anybody's cup of motherfucking tea, but I pride myself in that because I've never been anybody's motherfucking cup of tea, okay? And that's who I am. I am always going to strive to be me, right? And I want to encourage others to do the same, regardless of what that is to other people and how other people are affected by that. As long as you're a good person, that's all that matters, okay? So I wanted to pop in and share that news with you guys because I just cannot wait. I'm literally like ecstatic about it. And so stay tuned because you guys are gonna see if this sample works, because this is my 4th set, right? If this sample works, I will be showcasing it in more videos to come, and I will make mention of the fact that I am rocking the product in the video so you guys have an idea of what it is. And again, comment down below and let me know if you guys have an idea of what you think it is, or what you want it to be. Okay, so comment down below and let me know if you have an idea of what it is, and also let me know what you want it to be. If it's something that you want me to come out with specifically, you never know, that may happen. Okay, so comment that down below. Another thing I wanted to pop in and just kind of make mention to you guys, or at least ask you guys, is I wanted to find out what kind of videos you guys want to see from me. I know that as of late, right before these last couple videos, I'd kind of taken a little bit of a break here, and that was simply because I wanted to make sure that I was able to tend to my dad more than anything. He's had a lot of health issues, as you guys already know. If you guys follow me on my daily vlog channel, which you guys should be, The Socialite Life TV, go and subscribe over there. You guys will see what's been going on with my dad, with my kids. They are toddlers for real, y'all. Y'all will not believe what the fuck they did to my house. As of late, that video is coming soon. But either way, it has been crazy my way, right? And all the while I've been working on this product, and I've been wanting to tell you guys, but I wanted to make sure that it was where I was comfortable enough where I knew that it's literally almost on its last stage, okay? And that's where I'm at right now. So I have washed and primed and all that on my face. I'm literally rocking a little bit of Vaseline, and I'm about to test this product out after I get off camera with you guys here. And like I said, stay tuned, because in future videos here, you will see, if this works out, you will see that in future videos. And that in addition to the fact that, go on my Instagram, you'll see that I also showcased it, and I've worn it in several little snapshots, but there's one post in particular that I made mention of the fact that I am wearing my product. It was one of the testers. So yeah, holla at your girl, let me know if you guys know what it is or what you would like me to come out with, even if you don't know what it is, or even if you do know what it is and you still want me to come out with something in particular, comment that down below. So like I said, the other thing I wanted to find out is what types of videos do you guys want from me? I don't know if you guys saw my most recent try-on haul. I've never done a try-on haul. I just did it for the first time recently. I will iCard it up above for you guys if you guys have not checked it out. That in particular is my try-on haul of some pieces that I recently picked up and purchased myself for an upcoming trip coming up that Juice and I are going to be taking. It's going to be an adult trip, and so I've been just slowly but surely purchasing things for said trip, right? And so did you guys like that type of video? Do you guys want to see more try-on hauls of the things that I do purchase? Because I don't always have a moment to film Fashion Forward Fridays, even though I will continue to do those, but they're not going to be as frequent as they have been in the past, because typically the kids are running around my feet, okay? And there's always something going on. And so this may be a better way for me to showcase the items that I do purchase and try on. And I can try them on for you guys on video. So thumbs up this video, 1, because I'm coming out with my own makeup product, and 2, if you guys want to see more of those types of videos. I actually just got a big package from Fashion Nova, and I purchased them myself. No, I'm not sponsored by them, and no, I was not sponsored by the people that I purchased the items from for the try-on haul previous, okay? So check out the try-on haul. Let me know what you guys think. But If you guys want me to do a try on haul for Fashion Nova for the items I got from them, I've got some more pieces coming from another store too. So if you guys want me to do more of those try on hauls, I'm more than happy to do it. Another thing I get asked a lot about on my Instagram more specifically are where I get my workout outfits from. You guys know I am heavy into working out. I stay in the gym. I stay on top of my fitness. You guys know we have a 30-day challenge going on right now. I've mentioned it in my natural hair update video. I'll mention it to you guys again here. You still have time if you guys want to join us on this next 30-day challenge. I will leave the link for that down below. It'll say join our new 30-day challenge. Just click that. It's a survey. You fill it out. It's super quick, and I will follow up with you and get you going and let you know what you need to do to be involved in this 30-day challenge. But guys, these women are doing like phenomenally. They've literally lost 25 plus pounds, okay? And it's just phenomenal, okay? These women are completely different looking women than they were when they first started my challenge. And I wanted to give that opportunity to you guys here as well if you guys want to get involved. So like I said, it'll be below. Just check it out, and the survey's like 10 seconds long. I will follow up with you thereafter, but it starts Monday, September 17th, which is coming up in the next few days. You have plenty of time to still join, okay? And you guys, I'm so excited about that. So a lot of you guys have been asking me on my post about my workout outfits. So one of the things that I wanted to do, if it's something that you guys are up for, is to do a try-on haul for workout pieces, because I get so many different types of questions asked of where I get my leggings from, my sports bras, and those types of things, especially for my cuter outfits that I wear to the gym. And so I'm more than happy to do that if you guys want to see more of that. Just comment down below and let me know you guys want to see those. In addition to the fact that I just want to know what kind of videos you guys want to see. I know that there are a lot of makeup products, foundations, and things like that that have come out. It is so hot in this room. And that I have not reviewed. And there's one in particular which is not here. It's actually in my suitcase. But it is the new Revlon Matte Foundation. I know so many people have probably already reviewed it. But if you guys still want me to do a video on it and review it for you guys, I'm more than happy to do it because I have not tried it out, okay? But I've been hearing so many amazing things about it. And you guys know I love to review products that are super popular to see if they live up to the hype, right? So if you guys want me to do that video, I'm more than happy to do it. And if there's any particular foundations or products, even if they've already been reviewed, that you guys want me to do down below, comment those down below. In addition to any other different types of videos you guys want me to do, I'm more than happy to do them. You guys, like nowadays, YouTube, and I know y'all know this, look, I'm sweating like I was in the last video, but we got all these damn lights on in this room. Look, YouTube has just changed, y'all. Like, I'm seeing all these motherfuckers come on talking about something they were racist and shit, and I'm so sorry, bitch. And I'm like, damn, you know what I mean? YouTube has truly changed, y'all. It's just so different. And, you know, for me, especially with as crazy as my life has been and how stressful it has been with my dad and all of his health issues and stuff, I truly just want to do things that are fun, that I enjoy, that make y'all happy, that put a smile on your face, that'll make you laugh, that'll make you chuckle, you know what I mean, that provide information that you might need but still make you laugh and chuckle at the same damn time. I live for that, right? And that's really what it's all about for me. So I'm not really in it for all of that shit, you know what I mean? Even though there is a business side to YouTube, and there are going to be sponsored opportunities that are presented to me and that are consistently presented to me that I showcase to you guys here. You guys know that, but that's how our YouTubers make coin, period. That's how we make side money, you know what I'm saying? And that's just a natural part of the business. But ultimately, you guys know I don't promote anything that I don't use. I don't promote anything that I don't like. I've backed out of many deals that I'm like, this shit did not work, and I'm not about to put that out there. And I've shown y'all products that did not work for me, that other people have reviewed, and that just didn't work. And you still have the choice of whether you want to go into it and purchase it or not, right? But y'all know I keep it real deal, Holyfield, you know what I'm saying? All up and through, right? Okay, I tell y'all everything from the rooter to the motherfucking tutor, okay? So, with all of that being said, you will see some sponsored content from your girl. That's totally normal, and it's totally part of this business. But ultimately, all I want to do is put out content that's fun and just a happy. I just want this to be a happy place for you guys, for myself, and I love it. I love doing what I do, and yeah, it takes me away from the craziness of my day-to-day life. So I hope that it does for you as well. I get so many messages from you guys that are in such different places, you know, of life, that you guys send me so many amazing messages saying just how these videos affect you in a positive way, and I'm so thankful for that. Truly, I really am, and I love you guys for that. And I want to say thank you guys for supporting me. None of what I'm doing right now would be possible if it wasn't for you guys. So with that being said, I wanted to see what you guys wanted to see from me, and it doesn't have to necessarily be videos I have done here before, okay? I'm totally open to new ideas of videos. I really enjoy doing doing the try on haul for you guys. I just want to make sure you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys wanted me to do a Fashion Nova one, I will. I haven't even opened up the package yet. I have another package coming thereafter. If you guys want me to do that video, I'm more than happy to do it. I'm going to be looking for swimsuits soon and those types of things, so if you guys want to see more try on hauls, I'm happy to do those. If there's particular makeup products you guys want me to do reviews on, I'm happy to do that as well. And if there's other topics, you know what I'm saying, like Instagram type trends, things like that, it doesn't have to necessarily be just makeup related, okay? Let's talk shit. I know y'all gonna be like, bring back Let's Talk Shit. I promised you it's still here. But with everything with my dad, and I just got back from out of town and everything, it's been hard to keep up with all of it, but I promise y'all when something pops off, a bitch is gonna be on the shit. I've just been really tending to my family, but I am open to any other ideas, okay? So please let me know if you guys have any other ideas, Q&As or whatever. Holla at your girl down below. But I wanted to pop in and share this amazing news with you guys. I'm so excited. I'm burning up under these motherfucking lights, bitch. I'm like sweating. Y'all know I sweat on my face, okay? T-zone and all, right? And I need to try out my damn product because it's the 4th try. I need to make sure this motherfucker's all the way together, honey, because I ain't coming out with shit until it is, but I am planning on trying to come out with said product over the holidays. So stay tuned for all of that. Stay tuned for more videos coming from your girl. Please let me know what you guys want to see down below. If you see other videos that are being done, and it doesn't necessarily have to be specific to what I've done before. It could be challenges that are going on right now, seriously, because I do want to do some things with my family, with my siblings, with my husband. I haven't done those here in a very long time. So if there's any of those types of videos you guys want to see, one thing I wanted to bring was mukbangs. I think I'm saying it right, I'm not sure. Haven't done any of those. I would love to do those because I love food, bitch, look. And to do it on a cheat day, on a cheat meal, bitch, all day, air day, okay? So, let me know if you guys want to see those types of videos, but like I said, I'm open to whatever, so comment down below. Yeah, y'all, I just wanted to pop in and tell y'all that I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for supporting me and all the love and support you guys have been sending me my way. Look, I'm talking super fast. The kids are down for a nap, which is why I'm able to have the time to do this video. I love you guys, and stay tuned. Hopefully this is gonna be a good run, okay, of this product. And if so, I'm working on packaging. I've already named it. I already know what it's gonna be named because you guys already know. Y'all know how I am. So it's already named. I gotta figure out packaging and the design for said packaging. So we're in the process. I'm working with the designer to do that. I can't talk because, oh girl, I got some, bitch. Why didn't y'all tell me I had some shit on my nose? Anyway, yes, I'm working on packaging and I have the name, and yeah, I'm so excited. So I love you guys. Please thumbs up this video and stay tuned for more videos to come. I love you guys, and I will see y'all in my next video. Love y'all. Bye.